Yeah, my beautiful people, your boy Lucky. Day at today, I do a fridge tour. You see me? I will show how, to me, how important is my fridge. Show you now. See? You must want to stay tuned. Leave a like on the video and a comment also. Please and thanks. Share it. I'll give a round of applause. Thank you. This is the fridge, as you can see. It's a Whirlpool, 2 compartment. It's about 11 years old. It was given to me. You see? Clean and nice. Yeah, so. No, I'm going to fridge first. I'm going to show Panda Pie. I'm going to show one Panda Pie. See? So I go on. Have some beer. You have rum cream, Campari, rum, and some other stuff you keep on top of the fridge also. So you can see, sorry beer a lot out there, so you know. Stick a buckle, souvenir buckle, come off the plane, you know. Yeah, so you don't know so I go on, so the Magnum said here. Yeah, coffee. You see me I say? So it's just on the fridge shop. We don't really drink cold liquor here still, so that is at the moment. See it? Red and white cornflakes, also name. We actually empty box look come and leave up there, so you know. So we are going at the fridge now. We are putting the lower part. As you can see, in the main entrance you see we have a buckle of wash here. 2 jugs of water, and that shelf there, the second shelf here, it's my favorite. I'm going to show you all what's in it. Pudding, Jamaican pudding, yeah. That's my Christmas cake. So although that boy me buy Christmas cake, no pudding I was buying. So and those 2 top shelves is what they right now. So a lot of water we drink here. I don't really drink the cold water still, but I'll just show you. So ice cone. This is coconut drops, some crackers, and this is a weed marijuana tea bag also we have here. Yeah, so in this bag we have some rolls, some wrap, to make wrap. Or some Jamaican call them rotis. So you can use them to make wrap, to sandwich wrap or so. Or you can add them up and use them as roti to make the curry. So that is the 5-second shelf. Now this shelf you have some meat to cook. Okay? This is oxtail. In that pea pan. This is chicken, also to cook on the lower shelf. Some lettuce being rotting for days, nobody come here, so I have to dispose of that. We also have also some butter down there on the second shelf there. Yeah, so you have to just make it nice, you know. So we're going to the lower shelf in the main fridge. So we have carrot, leafy growing, ginger, purple onion, pepper, Irish, sweet pepper, garlic, potato. You know the chips go. So we go on the other side on the lower shelf. Scallion and thyme and a cabbage. Yeah. On the fridge door side now, you can see oats, some passion, my son's birthday candle, and also have some egg, baking powder, pound butter, and down on the second shelf here we have main thing to have in the fridge at all time, baking soda, we have mayonnaise, we have jam, we have another jam here, we have a barbecue sauce right here also, barbecue sauce, we have tortillas mix, dips I should say, and over this side, one nice drinking Grace aloe juice, some lemon also. So you see thing and to cut the other why. Tomato. Look, they are being rotten in. And this is a peanut butter. Yeah. So it's also a baby food. We have pancake syrup, coconut water, Grace, and we have some. In this box is not coffee, it's milk storing it. Also, is it? Yeah. Almond vanilla milk. Over here we have water. The most important thing in this fridge is this lemon and lime mixed in one bottle. This will be a full bottle, but it's empty now. So, here you have it. In my fridge, you can see it. Yeah. So we leave in the bottom of the fridge to the top. Oh, in the bottom of the fridge I also have some anchor cheese. You know, grated that one and put on the mayonnaise. Yeah. So leave in the top from the bottom, lower part to the higher part now. And the freezer, yeah. And I should start with the big part first. We have chicken, fish. They are seasoning people. They are seasoning. Fish, chicken, sorrel juice, ginger beer. Load them out. Franks, figures, hanks. So we have a lot of meat on this side. Fine. More sorry that hasn't made it as yet. Chips. Yeah. We have some bongo freeze. Some shots, some liquor shots with rum, marijuana. There you go. Sour sap said we. This is pumpkin juice. Some corn. Sweet corn. Sour sap. Ice. We have a patty in the fridge today. It's nice, so. See, Aki. I think they're not my fridge, you know, people. It might be not look straight, but until I say, you come look. And everything, man. Fish, chicken, goat, beef. All this. A fish head. Man, but I think they're fridge, man. Most of them season up. It's not hard. Yeah, so you must go in the freezer, you see me? Yeah. So I go on. The beautiful look, people. Remember, if you like, subscribe and share. You see me I say? Fridge of the ear. Yeah.